So, Thanksgiving kind of snuck up on me this year, and I didn't get a turkey yesterday. So we're out here today, this morning, trying to fucking up my glasses. We want to make sous vide turkey breast, but in order to have sous vide turkey breast, you kind of need a turkey. So I'm out here on Thanksgiving morning with my trusty 12 gauge, because we can't fail, and trying to find a turkey. And the sun's rising now, and I think we're in a good position here. So we'll see how it goes. It's actually a pretty chilly morning here in Florida. That's how you know winter's coming. It's my turkey call. Some deer out here, look at this. The males are chasing the females. It's a male buck right there. So I headed to Jake. I've kind of wandered into my little area here. And I'm gonna try to call him in a little bit closer. I'm gonna take a shot at that Jake as soon as he looks away. Now, it's time to cook. First we're gonna need is deboning. So we're gonna try and take the skin off first. Pretty much separates. So now we have our turkey breast separated. We'll put this aside. We're not throwing away the skin and the bones. We're gonna go ahead and take this and we're just gonna salt both halves. Pepper them very liberally. It's the only thing we need for seasoning because we don't need anything else. Both sides. Now we're just gonna combine them kind of like we're making a jigsaw puzzle. Is that right? Is that right? Nope. This is right. Doesn't really matter how you tie it because, well, the batter says it's not going to explode. That looks like a monster. Since we're gonna be cooking this sous vide, we need to fill our pot up with juice. I'm kidding, water. Ooh, that's really loud. That's filling up. We're gonna go ahead and get the other ingredients we need, or the other tools, which is our air pressurizer, depressurizer, airbag sealer, this thing. This thing. Oh. I grab these. They're good. I think I forgot how to use this thing. Finally. That's hot. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. So we set this to 145 and we have our turkey, which will cook for 2.5, 3 hours. Actually, I'm gonna get a tie string on this thing.
time on the waters for sure.
We need to prepare the skin. So here so you can see. Well, this isn't skin. I did such a good job of cutting this thing that yeah. Let's split it out.
You know, tortilla chips. You had like chicken skin, you cut it into triangles. Baked it. But then I thought about how many chickens you would need to actually fill up a bag. It would be probably about 20 chickens.
Well, people eat chicken wings. They kill 40 chickens for 20 wings. So I mean, it's really not that. It's not that different. Just salt it. Pepper. Another layer of parchment paper. Give it a lace flat. Top. Get the other sheet tray. Boom. So this is going into a 400-degree oven for about 30 to 45 minutes. And my oven's not on, but let's see how this turned out. Das big reveal. Ooh. Up, needs more time. All right, back in the oven. Take 2. This has been fermenting. That'll do. It's dripping a lot of grease.
Okay, I see you.
It just needs a. So this'll. You can actually preheat pork rinds in the microwave, and they come out soft, but after like 10 seconds, they get nice and crispy.
Okay.
So that's probably what's gonna happen here.
Yeah, look at that. Crisping up.
Scotty. There you go, mate. Try this. Tastes like a pork rind.
It does. That should be in the bag of chips.
Turkey keto chips. Heard it here first. We steal it. We gotta get some sort of
Chicken chips.
cheetah chips. What would you call it?
Chicken chips.
Chicken chips.
Chicken chips.
This is still cooking. Until next time. Nope, not until next time. Until it's done cooking. I got no out. This thing is done. I'm like coming off such a high now. This is like so quiet. Like,
get ready, let's go, motherfucker!
we've been drinking, we've been cooking. This is like suddenly not anticlimactic. All right, let's get this thing in. Now you could use this for gravy, but we're not. Do you want to cut this? This is like the boring part of the video. Oh my god, he's just talking to himself, guys. Oh! Out it comes! Oh, I'm not gonna lie, this doesn't look very good.
Ooh, there we go. There we go.
It's all white. You could deep fry it too. Just cutting off these butcher's twine. I feel like somebody's gonna eat a piece of twine. And it's gonna be funny. So we're gonna sear this with some avocado oil here. Here we go. Ah, sparkling. All right, let's get this off the fire and cut this thing up. This is seared. Now I have rope everywhere. Cut it. So, let's see here. Now it's like we're cutting this like it's gonna have some sort of crazy reveal, but it's not because it's just turkey. So let's try this thing. Scott, first piece. See how it is. How is it? Good? It's poison. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not. I am. No, I'm not. It's mine. I think I got rope. I got rope. Yeah. I literally got it.
I don't piece it. It's like simple.
Hit the like button, subscribe. That's it.
Or not.
Or not. I don't know.
Or not.
Doesn't matter.